Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's DIY project. So today we are going to be making this beautiful sun visor hat that I am wearing there. So without wasting time, let's get straight into the DIY. So this is my paper. This is just normal paper. And then I just went on to the edge and then I just started to mark from the top corner just so that I could get that nice circular shape. And then I just took a scissors and then I cut out that shape. And that is the measurement that I used to cut out from the top corner there. Then I opened up my little paper and then I went on to the corner with my curved ruler and then I just drew that shape and then I cut it out. So when I fully open it, this is the shape that I'll have. Then I took my interfacing. This is like a harder interfacing. And then I used the paper template to cut out the shape of the interfacing. And I cut two pieces of this interfacing. Then after that, I now went on to my fabric. I'm using this red and blue Dashiki fabric. And then I just placed my interfacing onto the fabric and then I ironed it down. So the interfacing is what I'll actually use to cut out the shape, and then when I cut it out, I leave an allowance on the edge of about 1 inch. But I don't leave an allowance on the center or in the middle. I just cut it out just like that. And I also do this for the other piece of interfacing. So there I have my two pieces. So the other one will be the top and the other one will be on the bottom. Then I go on the edge like that. Then I start making these little snips and then I start to fold in the fabric, just folding it down and ironing. And I do this on the whole edge of that interfacing. And I also do this for the other piece. So after that, I now put them together and then I place them so that the insides are facing each other. Then I put them on top of each other like that and I make sure that they are perfectly aligned. And then I take my little pegs and then I just start to pin on the edges right round. Then I now took a needle and thread and then I started to do a tacking stitch. Right round. So there I'd finished doing the tacking stitch. I had joined my two pieces, the top and the bottom. Then now for the strip which I will use to tie, I now took my little fabric which I folded the edges inside 2 times, and then I also folded it in half and made sure that all the raw edges were inside. So if you have like enough fabric for this, I was actually supposed to cut this on a bias, so just take note of that. Then after that, I now started to put the little band onto the main part of the head, just pinning it on like that. And then I went back and I did a tacking stitch just to join it together and prepare it for sewing on the sewing machine. So there I had basically done all the tacking, and then I now went on to just sew it down. And then I also sewed the edges down. And there I was just removing those threads that I had used to tuck using a seam ripper. So that is it, you guys. That is the finished product. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really had fun making this sun visor hat, and I'm really excited to hear your feedback. And I hope to see you again in the next video. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next videos. Bye.